Alan Inkster, I'm Managing Director of Imperium Integration, and the brief was to create a match day experience as much as meeting the life safety aspects of what you require to run a stadium. They wanted a system that was low impedance to give them quality that is expected in a modern stadium, yet still had to meet the safety standards. They also wanted some other health and safety aspects, which are raising and lowering the speakers in the bowl without having to bring in lifting equipment. We literally had to find something that, one, was light enough but powerful enough to do the job just from the front if we could. And TORUS came out at the perfect time. I was surprised how light it was, if I'm honest. One of the issues that we had in the stadium is the older stands, we can't put too much weight on the front. So when we looked at different things, and we did look at different things, we looked at TORUS, and I was expecting it to be really quite heavy, but it's not. In terms of performance for that weight with the neodymium magnets and stuff like that, it's fabulous. But we made sure when we did the design using Display 3, the direct SPL was the key. You know, at the end of the day, when the stadium is full of people, the direct SPL is the key to getting over the top of a very, very loud crowd. Each of the stands have a TORUS arrays in them. So TORUS allows us to put subs in the hang configuration. We put them every second one in every stand apart from the east stand. So the east stand is the front is 6 triple TORUS arrays, and every one of them has a sub. At the back, there's double TORUS arrays for the top tier. In the north stand, there are 6 triple TORUS arrays, every second one with a sub. In the west stand, there are 8 TORUS arrays, every second one with a sub. And across the back, we've got CDD12s because there's a physical barrier between them. And then in the south stand, we've got 6 TORUS arrays, every second one with a sub. Each corner has triple TORUS arrays, all of which are raised and lowered. Each separate stand is totally different, both in structure and in materials it's built out of and everything, which acoustically causes you issues, which was really we addressed by using TORUS, because TORUS answered 95% of all the questions that the stadium environment asked of it. It's brilliant. It absolutely kills it in a stadium this size. Sonically, it's stunning as well. I like the quality the manufacturer always have done with light and audio. It's good stuff. You know, stainless steel on it, it'll be up there for 20 years. 99% of the feedback has been how good the system is. And you just have to come here on a night and just experience it for yourself. It really is that good.